Another feature you were telling me about is the ability to track someone running outside through like GPS.
Right.
And then maybe kind of displaying that on like a map grid picture.
Right.
Can you kind of go into that feature, what inspired it, and technical challenges maybe that you had?
Sure. Yeah, so what really inspired it was I was seeing a lot of my friends post similar pictures on Instagram.
I've been seeing that too.
Yeah, about I think maybe Orange Theory or some other company out there has that, has the ability with their apps. And I was like, hey, like that seems like a pretty easy thing to put in. If I want people to start using my app and I see that this is a popular feature, I don't want to not include it.
No, it's a sweet quarantine feature.
Right.
For sure.
Yeah, absolutely. And the running community is huge. People, it seems, do like to put it out on social media and post that.
Yeah.
And you know what? I'm all for the putting out there that you're working out and encouraging people to like say that you're working out.
No, I mean, it's great for us too. That's a great marketing angle to encourage users to share their picture of their run, on Instagram or Twitter or whatever. I mean, we do need any help promoting ourselves and not just saying download the app, but displaying like a feature that we have.
Yeah.
So I think that definitely has a lot of potential, both just in-app usage and then showing off for outside the app.
Yeah, absolutely. The key thing about it was using Google Maps. So they have an API or they have their own source code that pretty much does all the heavy lifting with it. Periodically send coordinates to Google Maps and then they send it back. They provide you pretty much with the code.
So you're setting Google Maps latitude and longitude coordinates, and they're then just converting that to like a picture on their map and giving it back to you, right? It's not like an actual functional map where you're kind of like you can stretch it and pinch it and stuff.
No, it's an actual map.
Okay, so we'll have a map embedded into into our app.
It's Google Maps embedded into the app.
Okay, so it won't just be at the end of your run. Mid-run, you'll be able to kind of see where you're at.
Yeah, you can follow along on your page as you're like going through. You'd see this little purple line.
Okay, nice.
That goes through, and then you can see it. And then at the end, the hope is, I mean, right now you can go back and look at your previous runs, but then the next step is to take it and put it onto a timeline and share it with friends. You can share it right now, like take a screenshot of it and then put it, onto. There's a little button that says throw it onto Twitter or Instagram.
So how often does our app update Google Maps with the latitude and longitude? Is it like every 10 seconds, 1 minute, every amount of distance?
It's when the latitude and longitude changes.
Every time that changes.
This does it all in code that I don't even write, right?
Have you tested this out at all?
Yeah, I went on a run and it worked on my phone, and then I was able to, take it and then put it on Instagram, and it was all fine and dandy.
Nice.
I can also look at my previous runs, and it's all good. When we actually put it out for the public, instead of the developer's license of Google Maps, you have to actually pay a couple dollars every month to use it. Which
okay, so it's a service through Google we'd have to pay for.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, that's worth paying for.
It is. It's pretty cost effective.
Hello. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. The purpose of this YouTube channel is to promote our mobile application called Drive Fitness. It helps you track all of your workout data and makes it enjoyable like a game. You can download it right now on the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. There's going to be a link to a video right below me where you can see a demonstration of the fitness app. The other purpose of this channel is to promote our podcasts. You can find our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts, Stitcher, and all other audio platforms. The full-length video version is only available on Patreon, so you can support us at patreon.com/drivefitness to get the full video versions of the podcasts. You can buy a t-shirt just like the one I'm wearing right here on our website, drivefitness.app/store. We have a lot of great merchandise there, including things such as sweatshirts, sweatpants, tank tops, and t-shirts. You're going to be able to find a link to anything that I've talked about in the description below. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Here on YouTube is where we post clips of the podcast, demonstrations of the app, and much more. Also, maybe like this video. Thank you so much for your time, guys. I hope you all have a great day.